to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is talking about what happened with her last night. She's talking about the fight that broke out in the club with this lady that she had rented, a place from that still has allegedly some deposit for her of $500. So Marcia was saying that basically she was in the club and this lady was shining, the video light on her and she told her to stop and she continued. So the fight broke out. So, guys, go and listen to what Marcia has to say. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, and everybody else, whatever you want to call me, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Because you damn well know, say, once you come in my face with camera, you know, say, never you go down like that. You know that. You know, say, it never go down like that. You know, say, it was not going to go down like that. Me not going to defend myself. You know, say, it wasn't going to go down like that. Eh? She have the key. As soon as me walk in at the club, people, me say me not even walk in at the club, not even 2 seconds. Not even 2 seconds. Me walk, tap past them, tap past her. Cause me not see her, cause from me I got a place there. I have never seen that girl. I have never seen that girl. At no party, I have never seen that girl. Cause that girl tell me, say she don't go to them places. She only go to places like where her friend them invite or somebody keeping something. She don't go to the places. She came exactly to attack me. She came exactly to provoke me to get that reaction. Never from me I go a function. And me I go all of the party them round Hartford, Connecticut. I have never seen her at any event. Even when time me and her was talking, I have never seen her. She came there exactly to do what she did last night. 360 scenario. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me tell you. 360 scenario. And she catch the bait. She is the one who have more to lose than me. I work for myself. People were there in there calming me down and say, Marcia, no mess up your image. Marcia, just whatever. Mm-hmm. Me, as long as me live in a Connecticut, Jamrock would never see my foot touch back in there. Never. No one go a party, me go to New York City go party. I wait until one nice event. Never. He would have never catch me back in there. Never catch me back in that place. Mm-hmm. These people only care about their money. They don't care about people's life. They only care about people's money. They don't care about people's life. They only care about them place if you get the bar take away and whatever, care about people's money. People like them, people like them would never catch me in there. Suppose a year am I go on. Suppose a year am I go on. Oh, they upset with me because I carry the buckle out the door. Eh? Suppose a year look a junkin, dirty man, them a behave. Eh? Where them not have no woman. Them come from Jamaica with the same dirty attitude. Me know say if it was any one of them who that girl come up to them face, it would be a different story. Mm-hmm. It would be a different story. So them a go blame me now because me no step to her. Eh? Them a go blame me because me tell her to come out of my face. So you a go blame me. They a go blame me. Me no business with a little picture woman over fear Peter say, no. As I said before, if I not even last, not even a minute. Right, it not even last a minute because I told her there's people there and whatever it is. By the time when she drag off wig off of my head and whatever, by the time me grab her back in a fear, I go hold her down, hold on her head, and I go push her up in the wall, and them man then run come over. And while she was there in the wall, back up and them and me did they go off for her. She take her hand and lick me. Her hand catch me in my head because them hold her up in the corner because them a shield her from me. So when like you Sheila, them come me ready for go jump kick her up in the something for me hang down her head and sitting she ready. She when them a hold her in the corner, she get from me and lick me, her hand catch me. Lick me. But it never lasts no more than not even a minute, not even half a minute in the last for. As it was quick. Cause say a soul Sunday. Me not even walking there good. But them I give them one if you come give me the blame because they threw me go up to her and tell herself, take the camera out of my face. Where you come up in my camera close so far and a video me for. Me I tell you, take the camera from out half of me. Me not a celebrity. Even if a celebrity, you don't have the business you up in a celebrity face, so. She come there deliberately. You're lucky so them hold you in the corner. Yeah, so them mad. And when it come to black people, them not give a statement who for what and whatever. Them all give me because they threw me go to do the buckle. Fear. So the owner man mad. Come come to a club with the buckle. Me got the bar go drag one buckle and go to fear. Yeah. She lucky say she lucky say my man friend wasn't there with me tonight. Jesus Christ, me glad Sam never come. My figure work. It wouldn't be pretty. Me glad. Me glad. I glad Sam never come. And so me not time to come and say, babe, me really tired. Me I work at a busy season now and whatever it is, me glad. I glad Sam never come because it wouldn't be pretty. It would not be pretty. Yeah. So them mad.